Hey, what's up guys? This is Syed from RVH again. Today I'll be giving away this iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold to one of our subscribers as soon as we reach 100k on this video. It's a brand new iPhone with box and all accessories as you can see. For this Rose Gold iPhone 7 Plus, we select the winner randomly worldwide. This is real giveaway and we have already given more than 15 iPhones so far. You can see the winners list on our Instagram page. Okay, let's start. What you're gonna do, just follow 3 simple steps to win this iPhone. 1. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. 2. Like this video and comment down. 3. And last, like our Instagram page where we announce the winner name. Don't worry, if you don't have the Instagram, just keep eye on it. Instagram link is in description. If you help us promoting our channel, we'll give you an AirPod for free.